Now we're doing video.
Wayman Aaron remains in prison, Bill, despite the fact that witness individual by the name of Brooklyn confessed that he was a murderer and not Wayman Aaron. Yet and still, Wayman sits in prison serving a life sentence for a crime he did not commit. All right, this attorney's up. Well, this is his wife.
He also had a NYPD as a witness stating that my husband was not there. He did not commit this crime, and they still found him.
The NYPD said that?
Yes, he was there. NYPD was at his trial. He
was off-duty police officer witnessed the actual crime, and he gave a description of the individual that did not meet Aaron's description. But more importantly, the individual confessed to the crime. The district attorney office convicted of the individual, yet and still Wayman Aaron remains in prison. He was home with his wife at the time the murder happened.
Yes.
They found the right guy that convicted him, and the innocent person is still in prison.
Yes.
Your husband's still in prison.
Absolutely.
Yes.
How come that happened?
Charles Hines.
Free Wayman Aaron.
Thank you.
Wayman Aaron. That's right.